Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to change text highlight color in Photoshop. Let's begin. See this text. First of all, down. First of all, create a text background. Example, create a red background color. See this highlight text and change the color. Click the shape, double click, change highlight color. Or you can use normal text highlight effects, blending options, shadow, use red shadow, normal color highlight. Okay, that's it. Again change. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.